See, you can see the water, the rain. It's like this grass not really good for the rain. Oh yeah, all a friend come away, but yeah, then they got tap of grass. The whole place I show you everything. See, not like water is sitting there. Not like water sitting there. You see the other one, eh? See this one? All the one coming from an identical tap. Not really good for the water. This all the one. Water not doing anything to this. You want to see. You can see. You need this one. This grass. Talking about water not setting in it, but yeah, it rain enough. You can just be carrying all the leaves them down. You see it? You see it? See it? How you doing? Acting all fun. Very fun here. You see, going all the way on us. On the roadside here. Oh, see this one? The one with the other tap there. It's not doing nothing to it. See? Let this step of grass. Step. And this point enough here. You see? Enough. Whole leaf can just burn on each other. The fire catch it. I like. I'll leave with this. Yeah. 1 pint half. Not what I have nothing to do with it. Just growing. Growing. What they want doing. See it? You see it? They're looking fresh. They're looking fresh. Clean. Oh, it rain past water, not doing nothing to it. You see it? See it? Okay. Type of rice. See this step? They want automatic stepping. That's it, Austin. See you.